The problem is now we are dealing with an exponent that is no longer a counting number. It is now, this exponent we're talking about is -1. So once you're talking about an exponent that is not a counting number, we can no longer simply say that tells you the number of times the exponent is multiplied. So again, notice that the -1 exponent came up when you had an x in the denominator of a fraction. So one way you can think of it is negative means the opposite. So instead of multiplying 1 times x one time, you are dividing x into 1. Instead of multiplying by x, you are dividing by x. Therefore, the negative exponent means division that many times. So let's take a look and see what happens. So suppose I said use this technique, and what I mean is the technique of subtracting the two exponents in order to show that x to the third over x to the third is x to the 0. Well, the way I can do that is to say x to the third divided by x to the third is equal to x to the 3 minus 3, which gives you x to the 0. But of course, we know that x to the third over x to the third, you cancel the x to the third on the top and the x to the third on the bottom, and you end up getting 1. Therefore, x to the 0 and 1 are both the same thing. So here I am showing you that 1 over x squared is the same as x to the -2. 1 over x to the third is the same as x to the -3. And then when I say rewrite 1 over x to the 7th as an expression that doesn't look like a fraction, the way I would do that is to say that 1 over x to the 7th is exactly the same thing as x to the -7.